think it's crazy. It's already snowing. So I just wanted to go over the carnage from yesterday. I was filling up my tires with air because the temperature change. It's getting the temperature change made my air pressure go down. That, as well as the fact that carnage, the tires are kind of gone. It's not too bad. I mean, it's drivable. I don't have to go far. Fortunately, I get a car for work, so I don't have to worry about that. I just wanted to show that and have a little fun. I feel bad. I don't want to beat on the car anymore. I actually really enjoy this car, even though I got it really cheap. It's a really nice car. It's treated me really well. So I'm definitely gonna try and stop beating on it so harshly. We saw all the lights. I pulled the ABS fuse, so that's the reason for all those lights. And then the service engine light, I'm not sure. I got a weird code after flashing it with the MHD, so I want to see if I can get that fixed. I'll probably have a video or an update on that because it's a kind of a weird issue. And then I think that's everything for there. Another short video. Just wanted to show off the carnage, update it. Also, look at that. She's pretty. Other than the trash can. So I know I haven't been talking much in the videos. It's just been mostly action stuff, but I wanted to go over my next few videos that I want to do. I want to do the downpipes on the car for sure, put the front drive shaft back on, so make it all-wheel drive. I'll throw the ABS fuse on. I want to get rid of this check engine light, or service engine, soon. Like I said, it came up after flashing with MHD, so it has something to do with that, possibly. But I'll have to double check. And you know, I want to make this car solid. I kind of feel bad for beating on it how I have, but I wanted to at least have fun with it a few times. But I want to make this car solid, get everything I want to and need to done, and then come spring season, I could do a full custom tune, E85, and all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.